Think gaining weight is just about eating more calories? Think again. In this video, we'll explore the common mistakes you might be making on your weight gain journey and how to overcome them. This will be your ultimate guide to gaining weight, not just any way, but the healthy way while building a strong, muscular body. Get ready to discover effective tips that truly make a difference. Before we dive into the science of how to gain weight, I need you to check your BMI. I'll leave a link to the calculator in the description below. For those who aren't familiar with BMI, it's a simple calculation using your height and weight and will tell you if you're underweight, overweight, or in the normal range. Remember, your BMI is just one piece of the puzzle. It doesn't account for muscle mass or bone density, but it helps you understand where you're starting from. Let's begin with the first, and for me, the most overlooked mistake many beginners make, solely focusing on protein intake. You've probably heard stories of people eating 10 eggs a day to gain weight, a strategy that might seem like a promising way to bulk up quickly. However, what we often overlook is the crucial importance of fats and carbohydrates. Here's why. Per gram, fats provide 9 calories, while both carbohydrates and protein provide 4 calories per gram. This means fats are more calorie-dense, making them an efficient way to increase your daily calorie intake. Carbohydrates also play a significant role in providing energy and replenishing muscle glycogen, crucial for workouts and recovery. So, understanding these calorie densities is key to planning a balanced diet for your gain weight journey. Another common mistake is overlooking the quality of the food you eat. Sure, junk food might be high in calories, but it causes nutrient deficiencies, leaving you feeling sluggish and unwell. Think of your body as a high-performance vehicle. Would you fuel it with the cheapest, lowest-grade gas? No, you'd choose the best fuel to keep it running smoothly. The same principle applies to your diet. Opt for high-quality, nutrient-dense foods that provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Making smarter food choices doesn't have to be complicated. Start by reading labels and choosing foods with fewer ingredients and more natural components. The closer a food is to its natural state, the better it is for you. Remember, quality over quantity will lead you to a healthier, more sustainable weight gain journey. Another mistaken belief about weight gain is that you need to eat large meals to consume more calories. However, eating large meals can lead to bloating and digestive discomfort. Instead, try eating 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. This approach not only makes it easier for your body to digest and absorb nutrients, but also prevents you from feeling overly full and uncomfortable. Imagine your metabolism as a fire that needs to be stoked regularly to keep burning brightly. Smaller, more frequent meals act like kindling, keeping your metabolic fire steady and strong. This method also helps in maintaining consistent energy levels throughout the day, preventing the peaks and crashes associated with larger meals. It's a gentler, more sustainable approach to weight gain. When trying to gain weight, it's easy to make the wrong food choices. Opting for foods that are high in calories but low in volume can be a game changer. Nuts, seeds, dried fruits, cheese, and avocados are excellent examples. These foods significantly boost your calorie intake without taking up much space in your stomach. For example, a medium-sized avocado contains about 234 calories, while 14 walnut halves provide 185 calories. These small additions can make a big difference in your overall caloric intake and nutrient profile. While many people associate exercise primarily with weight loss, did you know that you can also exercise to gain weight? When aiming to increase your body mass, it's important to understand that weight gain involves not just adding body fat, but also building muscle mass. Muscle tissue is denser than fat tissue, which means it occupies less space in the body for the same weight. This makes gaining muscle not only beneficial for strength and endurance, but also for achieving a healthier and more toned appearance. Furthermore, regular exercise often increases appetite, making it easier to consume the extra calories needed to support weight gain. Therefore, combining strength training with proper nutrition is key to effectively supporting your goals for healthy weight gain. One of the most overlooked aspects of weight gain is sleep. Think of sleep as the glue that holds your weight gain efforts together. It's during sleep that your body synthesizes proteins and releases growth hormones, both of which are crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Minimize screen time before bed, and ensure your bedroom is calm and relaxing. Remember, rest is not a luxury. It's a necessity for achieving your weight gain goals. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that this journey is uniquely yours. You've got the knowledge now, and that's a powerful tool. Use it wisely and remember to celebrate every small victory. This isn't just about the numbers on a scale, it's about creating a healthier, happier you. Until next time, be kind to yourself and take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.